You also want to start investing in the stock markets? How to buy the stocks? Where should we buy them? How to find the most profitable stocks? These are some of the most frequently asked questions by traders and investors who like to involve in the stock markets but need to know where and how to start. Indices, stocks, shares, and so on. What are they? Let's first get to know what these words mean in the financial markets. Shares, the smallest unit of counting in the company's ownership divisions. The owner of the share is called the shareholder of the company. Once you buy a share, it means you are the company's partner and own some part of the company. Stocks, also called equity, includes total shares of the companies representing the ownership of a specific part of the company to the stock owner. Shares are the units of the stocks. Stock market, exchanges are where you can buy or sell shares and stocks, like the New York Stock Market, Shanghai Stock Exchange, London Stock Exchange, and so on. Indices, baskets of different shares and stocks that have a series of specific features, for example, based on market capitalization, like the S&P 500, which refers to the 500 largest companies in terms of market capitalization. Alternatively, there are baskets that can be based on the type of activities, like Nasdaq Composites, where most listed companies are active in technology sector. So you may ask, where to purchase shares and start investing in the stock markets? Most companies' shares are not directly available, so you need an interface to buy shares, which is called broker. And now, investing steps for beginners. Number 1, finding a broker. With online brokers, you will have a direct access to all stock exchanges, no matter in which country or city you live. With brokers like IFC Markets, you can trade in New York, Shanghai, or London Stock Exchange while you are sitting at your home in Moscow, Berlin, Tokyo, or any other place. Number 2, regulations. Since the brokers will be your trusted intermediary, regulations and license are very important. Ensure you are trading with one with authority to trust and invest your capital. Number 3, commissions and other costs. Remember that brokers, to handle your needs, will charge you with some costs such as the commissions, spreads, swap, deposits, and withdrawal fees. Check them and compare them with other options to find the best fitted option for your desires. Number 4, pricing and execution. Matching the prices in your broker with the prices in the stock market is very important. Also, execution for the placing orders is another crucial factor to watch. And number 5, education and consumer support. Stock markets are like a living dynamic creator. It would be best to have the education to stay updated with changes. Trusted brokers usually have a very good consumer support and educational materials. And now, how to pick up the best and proper share. Before pushing the buy or sell button, research them to ensure it's the right decision. If you follow some basic steps, it will be much easier, even though in the beginning it looks complicated. Number 1, proper sector. We all have a background, interest, talent, and knowledge. At least at the beginning of your business, choose the shares you have more information about them. Number 2, read the company profile. After choosing the right group to find a proper share, read the company profile and search about their products, prices, market shares, primary markets, best sales products, and so on. Number 3, company revenue. To find how successfully they sell their products, you must check their revenue and also how much they pay as EPS to their shareholders and on which dates they do that. Number 4, company management. As much as product, the management and the company CEO can guarantee or destroy a company future. Knowing who will decide on your investment is always important. So make sure you know the company management and their plans. And finally, number 5, technical research. Along with the fundamental research, technical analysis will be very important, especially to find out the best and the most profitable prices to enter and exit the market. So, make sure you learn about the technical indicators, theories, and analysis. If you follow these steps correctly and carefully, you will definitely find the stock you need to buy.